Watch out for this fake water scam in India.
The fake water scam in India is a technique that criminals use to sell tap water under a fake brand name which resembles a big brand. Look at these 3 bottles carefully. They almost look the same, right? However, the bottle on the right has an extra S in the name of the brand, so it's fake.
Okay guys, so I came to this market stall about 2 days ago. I bought some water, which turned out to be fake water. Let's see if they're still selling the same crap or not. Yep, looks like it's fake Bisleri. Namaskar. I came here 2 days ago. I bought a bottle of water. No, I bought this one, Bisleri, but it's fake. Here it says 2S. It's fake, scam water, no? I have belly for 2 days now. It's not funny. Hi. I came here 2 days ago. I bought this water, but this is fake Bisleri. No, I bought this 2 days ago. I bought, and now I have belly because of it. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I came to this stall 2 days ago. This is fake. This is scam. This is scam water. Why are you selling scam water?
20.
Well, yeah, I know it's 20. Yeah, well, I want my 20 back. I want my 20 rupees back because I've been sick for 2 days. I've been on the toilet. I have belly for 2 days. Your colleague remembers me. He's the one who sold this. He sold it. I want 20. Paisa, refund. I want refund. Well, yeah, well, I got sick from this. I want a refund, or I want a bottle of real water. This is fake. Bisleri has 1S. This is not Bisleri. This is not Bisleri. I want a refund. Paisa. 20. I got sick. 2 days I was sick. I want a refund for this. This is very bad. No, 20. 20 refund. No, I don't want another fake water. I want a refund. This is scam. This is fake water. I got sick from this. I want 20 refund. Or I go police. Police? You want me to go to the police? Really? What? You don't want to give me a refund? Refund? No? Nahi? 20. Okay, well give me 10 at least. 10. Well give me 10 at least. 10. You give me. I'm not buying this again. This is fake water. I want a refund for this. I'm not buying the water again. I want a refund for this. I got sick. I have belly 2 days because of this shit. This is very bad water. This is scam water. Okay, well I'll go to police then. Alright, no refund for me. Looks like I'm going to the cops for this. This is scam. Sure.
Not Bisleri.
Scam, not Bisleri.
Not Bisleri.
This is fake Bisleri, yes?
This is wrong Bisleri.
This is wrong, yeah. This is 2S.
This is wrong Bisleri.
Sure.
This is wrong man.
He is sure. Yeah. You are sure.
This is cheap man.
Yeah, cheap man. But everybody knows. Is this real water at least? This one, Dasani, is this real or a scam as well?
This is not water.
This is also a scam?
This is cheap man.
All of these are scam water. Okay. This is all a big scam stuff. Okay. So why do people buy things here if this is all fake?
This is a false man. This is defaulter. This is cheap man.
Sure. Okay, I found someone who agrees with me.
This is right man. You.
Well, I'm trying to be, yeah, because I wanted a refund, exactly. Yeah, he is false man. He does not give refund. Yes. Okay, well, thank you for agreeing with me. Dhanyavad. Okay. Nice to meet you. Watch out, chor. Fake Bisleri.
Please take me
Fake.
one picture.
Picture?
Both,
okay, all right.
Both.
Let's take a picture with the scam stall. All right.
My brother, elder brother.
We're fighting Indian scams. Alright. It's not very successful, but we are fighting. It's victory against scams.
I also.
Okay, alright, let's take a picture of the scam stuff. Good, good. Acha. Alright, everybody's taking a picture at the scam stall. And this area is called Hazrat Nizamuddin, yeah?
Hazrat Nizamuddin West.
Yeah. Because I stay in Paraganj and people tell me Paraganj is the worst area. But over there even, I didn't find fake water. I only find fake water here.
Where do you live?
I stay in Paraganj right now. And me, Merusi here. From Russia. Yeah, I visited. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, well, thanks God. We didn't actually get a refund.
Bless you.
God bless you too. Alright, thank you. Dhanyavad.
Hello.
Dhanyavad. Nice to meet you. I was just trying to get a refund for this, but they don't give me a refund. It's fake water. See? Fake. Double S is fake. It's crazy. It's very bad. So, picture? Okay, alright, one last picture and then I go. So, where do Indian people buy water? This is fake water. Where do you buy water? Alright, okay. Alright, see you guys. Bye-bye. Fir milenge. Alright, that was utterly unsuccessful. Let's see if I can get the Indian police on my side. Or not, they probably won't care at all. But just out of curiosity, because this guy wouldn't even give me, 10 rupees back off of 20 rupees, which is like nothing, 20 cents. And I've been, stuck on the toilet. I wanted a refund, at least a partial one. No, not even 10 rupees for me. So, hello. Dhanyavad, namaskar. Alright, everybody's friendly though, aside from the scammers. Those guys, bad people, very bad. Chor, thieves. But let's see if the Indian police cares about fake water. Okay, here's the local police station. Let's see if they care. Probably not, but you can always check. Oh, hi. Is it possible to make a report? I bought some water over there at a stand 2 days ago. I got very sick from the water. It's they're selling fake water. English? Hindi. Oh. Hindi chota, but pani, bada pani, scam nearby. Do anybody speak English here? Maybe someone does speak English here.
Sir, inside.
Inside? Dhanyavad.
Hello, sir.
Namaskar. Hello.
Please turn off your camera, please.
Oh, no camera here?
No.
Can I film myself?
No.
So yeah, I was wondering because it's crazy that I got sick from just buying water because it's fake water. I know that Delhi police does raids against fake water factories. I read about that online. Is there a way you could report to anybody who does that kind of operation? Because it's very bad. For me, it wasn't too bad. It was just 2 days, but somebody else could get very, very sick. If a child drinks the water or something, or a pregnant woman. And the guys, they don't care. I told them, at least give me a refund, give me my 20 rupees back.
Sorry, we have no title for this.
You can't do this?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
DCP office, Sarita Vihar. You can go DCP office.
Is that the central police office?
Sarita Vihar.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you. Dhanyavad. Okay, looks like local police are more concerned with performing religious ceremonies like the one behind me instead of going for vicious criminals who are selling fake water. It makes you stick to the toilet for 2 or 3 days. Hey man, I tried, I try to help out here in Delhi. I know that Delhi police actually does operations against scam water guys because it can be pretty dangerous, for kids, a pregnant woman. For me, it wasn't too bad, but yeah, this local police station doesn't seem to care, so too bad. Just as a little epilogue to the main part of the water scam video, in my previous video, in my first day in Delhi, nothing kind of scammy happened. I was like saying that India's getting better, fewer scams, you know, being a little too optimistic maybe. I mean, there's still crazy scams, you know. I never thought you could make fake water a thing, but you can make fake anything in India apparently. So yeah, you know, all kinds of crazy things happening here. But at the end of the day, you know, maybe the Delhi police are doing something about it. The cops in the video didn't seem to care at all, the local ones, but there are news articles reporting that the Delhi police does do raids on these illegal water factories, so to speak. So this is an issue that people know about and some people do care about. So, you know, maybe some things are getting better. Maybe just very slowly. Who knows? Anyway, see you in the next one.